Hi, I'm Instructor Fratt with Rift Valley College's EMT program. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the CAT tourniquet. You'll be using the tourniquet after all other bleeding control methods have been exhausted. You're going to place this around the patient. Go about 1 to 2 inches above the bleeding site. Tighten it through. And make sure all your Velcro is secure. I'm going to start turning my stick here until the bleeding stops. Once the bleeding has stopped, I'm going to secure it into my holder and document onto my device my time, date, and my initials.